This video will describe how to save and restore data. Tap on the settings icon on the top right, then select backup and restore. You should definitely enable one of the cloud options. If you use iCloud, that should be enabled by default there. There's also a Dropbox option which you can link using the switch to the right. Once you've done that, the app is set to save a backup copy of the data every day you use the app. And that saves it to the device. However, if your device is lost, damaged, or stolen, you will not have access to your data in the future. If you enable one of the cloud options, then it will also be automatically saving backup data to the cloud. Of course, at any time you can come there and tap on the Save button below the data, and you can type in a new file name. And if you save it, it'll save it to the device, and by default, any cloud options you have. You can also select Save and Share and have it emailed or shared via other apps to yourself. If you get a new device or for some reason uninstall the app and need to restore data, just tap here on the Restore button. You can see right now we have the device or iCloud. Keep in mind, if you uninstall the app, any files on the device that have been saved are automatically erased. So again, please enable a cloud option to make sure that your data is saved off the device. If you also get too many copies of files, you can tap Delete, tap Device, and you can go ahead and choose. There's a user backup which saves the files you manually save, and there's also the auto backup folder, which is set to do that on a daily basis. So keep in mind, data is saved on the device and then also uploaded to the cloud if you choose that option. However, if you want to switch devices, so let's say you're using an Android tablet and now you want to go to an Android phone or an iPhone phone to a, let's say, iPad, what you have to do is go through the use multiple devices at the bottom there. If you have an iCloud or Dropbox selected, you'll have the option for the sync to or sync from. So if you're switching devices, since the device data is stored locally, the device that has the most current data you want to use first, and tap on sync to, and you're going to choose sync to iCloud. And then let's say I was going to an iPad, I would go onto the iPad device and I would tap sync from on the iPad and say sync from the cloud. And that way the most recent data will be there. Anytime you switch devices, you have to go through that process. It's not difficult, but as you can see, it's not as simple as just picking up any device you want to use and have the data stored there. This is because storing data in the cloud in real time is quite difficult, and also with student privacy laws, it's a lot more complicated than I'm able to do as a single developer. So I've come up with this option for you to make that a little bit easier if you do want to switch devices now and then. Also, you can see that if you have any photos of student work, you may want to periodically tap Save there and upload them to the cloud. So in case you get another device, you can restore the photos back. And that's only if you're taking student photos of work there. Hopefully this explains the backup and restore features.